Thank you, sir. May I now request the Honourable Chief Guest to address the Diction Parade.
Our DIG Special Branch Bhakti Har, our DIG CID Dalton, Commandant 6th MLP, and all the other officers gathered here. Srimati MGT Sama, Principal PTS, and all her officers gathered here. Our friends from media will be going to show the world this passing out parade today. Last but not the least, my dear trainees who are going to pass out today, and also your family members, friends who cannot come here today due to the COVID-19 situation that we are facing. It is always a pleasure to come to the passing out parade to witness young blood being inducted into the force. On behalf of Meghalaya Police, we welcome you as the youngest member of our family. The parade was of a very high order. I know that a lot of effort must have been put in to display such type of parade here today. I would also congratulate all the prize winners today. I'm sure the faculty members must be having tough time to choose who will be the winners, because from the parade display that we have seen today, all of you deserve to win. But as we know in life, only few will win, but all of others will not win. But we know that all of you are capable of winning today. Passing out parade is an important event in the life of a policeman. All of us have been through this process, and I will tell you that even after 25-30 years of service, we still remember it very distinctly. And I hope that all of you will remember this day, especially what you have been going through. So much of uncertainty, like what the principal has been telling. There was disruption of training, and perhaps you must be thinking, when will this day come? And today, the day has come that you will no longer be called RC, but from today, you will be UB Constables of Meghalaya Police. I would like also to mention that your batch will be unique, though it is 41st batch of UBRC, but they are the first batch. You are the first batch to pass out from MPS. So you will be linked to the history of this academy. Here and after, you will tell that you were the first batch to pass out from MPA, and that will remain in history. I think it's a privilege for all of you to pass out as the first batch. We know that there are so many difficulties associated with the training, being in a new location, but I would also congratulate all the officers under the leadership of Principal PTS who made the training so successful. And I'm sure from the report that the Principal PTS gave, all of you must have been trained very well. And that, of course, it's shown by the parade and the display that all of you have shown today. Just a few words. You have undergone training so many months. It's very difficult for me to sum up all the types of trainings that you have done and what is expected from you. I would only say that training is a continuous process. What have been done in the last few months that you were here doing training, that is actually to condition you to take the job that you are going to take. And I would like to tell you that training is a continuous process. Even we who are about to go out from service, every day we feel that we need to update ourselves, we need to get trained. So I would advise that you keep yourself updated every time when you go out from the training institute. The training institute has only taught you how to be disciplined, how to take work together, and how to accomplish the work that Meghalaya Police have for you when you go out from this training institute. And we all know that changes are very rapid nowadays. In the earlier time, 25 years back, 30 years back, when all of us joined in service, at that time things are moving very slowly, but now things are moving very fast, and changes come almost every day, if not every hour. So there again, it's the need for keeping oneself updated, as we are all in the profession of fighting criminals. Criminals are updating themselves because they can get so much of benefit by updating, by keeping themselves ahead. Our job is to stay ahead of them, and in sometimes we have to catch up with them. So that is the job in hand that you are going to take from today onwards. Today you have taken the oath which was administered today. There is one thing in police service which we all took the oath, and that oath is even to lay down our lives. There is no other service which demand, except the uniform service, of course, which demand that life should be laid down if required. So that is the ultimate, actually, sacrifice. So for anybody who is willing even to sacrifice his life, so nothing is there which cannot be sacrificed, because life is the ultimate. So I hope that you take the oath that you have taken today seriously and sacrifice for the welfare, for the benefit of the force that you are in, and also for the welfare of the state that we are going to serve. Another important thing is that you will be UB constables. UB constables have got a very important role to play in the department, because you are the first interface with the public, especially if you are in police station. So the whole image of police department is mainly the image that you are going to show to the world. If you show good image, then the whole department will benefit from that. But if one shows bad image, then the whole department gets blamed. I would just like to stress on a few things. I think enough has been told to you during the training. Number one, most important thing for us is discipline. I think the training period has taught you what discipline is all about. I need not elaborate. I would only urge you to continue to be disciplined in behavior, discipline in your food habit, discipline in whatever you do, so that you keep yourself physically and mentally fit. As we all know, our job is very demanding and it requires to be disciplined so that we can deal with the situation. Secondly, by being here together, I think you have been taught that our job requires teamwork. Nobody can achieve the task alone in police. All of us have to work together, help each other, so that we can keep the flag of Meghalaya Police flying high. Another most important thing is that, as you have seen, all of us are in the same uniform, irrespective of rank, right from the topmost to the lowest rank. We are all wearing the same color, same material of cloth. Why? Because in police, uniform service, there is no place for individual. It is police. So please honor the new uniform that you are wearing. Keep it. You have to be proud of it and responsible, because with uniform comes power. There's a lot of power attached to the uniform. Wherever you are, you'll understand that you have the power. People will look to you to perform the duty that your uniform requires you to perform. These are the few important things that I thought I'll tell you before you go out today from this academy and to join us in the police force. Like I said in the beginning, it is always a joy and a pleasure to welcome new members to the family. I would say that each time new members join the force, we feel the energy that is joining us. Today, as we stand here, when all of you are marching, we can feel the ground trembling, especially when the prize winners came. When they go and thumb there, I think there's a tang somewhere there, because the whole ground is shaking. So this type of energy we feel that you are going to bring to the police family. So on this very important occasion, I would wish you all the best. You have many, many years ahead of you. Challenging, of course, there's no doubt about it. There will be trying times. There will be time when you feel that it's too difficult. But I hope that the training that you have undergone will hold you in good stead in the days to come. And you will be able to rise to the occasion whenever it is required. I wish you all the best. I wish the family members whom maybe they are not here, but they'll be able to see through the channels. I welcome them, because we in police say that even your family members are also part of the family of police. Because in police service, family has got a very important role to play, because we in the force do not have much time. But family has to give time to us, because we are always on duty. So on this important day, I welcome you to the force. I urge you to perform to the best, so that in the years to come, Meghalaya Police will do much better than what we have done before. On this day, I again welcome you to the force, and I hope that you will perform to the best of your ability. And before I conclude, I would also like to thank the band platoon. Always their presence in the passing out parade has made it very lively. As you have seen, they also have shown such energy when they march in the ground. I would tell you that please follow their examples. Most of them maybe have few years of service left, but still they have so much of energy in them. Again, all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We are grateful for your kind presence and invigorating exhortation to the new recruits. Thank you, sir, once again.
जय श्रीमान श्रीमान दीक्षण प्रेत को निष्कर्मण करने की आज्ञा प्रदान करें श्रीमान जय श्रीमान
Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the final leg of the passing out parade of the 41st batch UB Constables. We have witnessed their progress to strive towards professionalism. These young officers have now potential to become partner in national building and national development. These young officers are now to start a new life in the police fraternity. I, on behalf of principal, assistant principal, officers, faculty member, outdoor instructors, staff of Police Training School Umran, wish all a great success in your future endeavors and bid goodbye with an assurance that no stone would left unturned to uphold and protect the system and do everything to be the pride of Meghalaya Police. once again, we wish you all a grand success in your future endeavors. Sincere thanks to the pipe band of 1st MLP Battalion Mavyong, headed by ABSI George Marab of 1st MLP Battalion Mavyong. Thank you. To reminisce this day, the year to come, a photo session has been arranged. I earnestly request the Honorable Chief Guest and all the guests to kindly stay back for a photo session and thereafter join us for lunch in the auditorium at the Adam Block. Thank you, Kublai Mithila, Jai Hind.
Oh, sir, I forgot to tell you also. We got a budget allocated for it. I forgot. I mean, I didn't announce purposely, sir. 2.8 we got, sir. 1 crore straight away from mobility. Then 30 lakhs in a sense. It's like 15 for OAE for conducting trainings and all, and 15 for professional services. So on a whole, for conducting training, we got 30 lakhs. And then for MTA. PTS budget, what? Small, like that, I understand. Usual thing. This is MTS. I moved this year. Over and above.
Separate budget.
Now, yes, sir. Now tandem, sir. Two things going at a time. So then, and we got machineries and equipments also. I got 50 lakhs.